use Google Docs to sign up for the next exam, you will get an email that says exam 3 sign up internet or something to that effect. Make sure you are signed in with your student account when you click on it. And when you open that message, it'll say open in Sheets. When you do that, this sheet that looks like this should open up. You will get a message in the top right that tells you to verify which email address you're using. Make sure that is your student email address. You're going to click OK. When you click on the sheet, there's all of the students there. These first two, if you click on those columns, it should be a problem because they're locked. Click on the triangle, pick the day, pick on the other triangle, pick the time. For example, let's say this student wants to take her test on Wednesday at 3 p.m. That's all you've got to do. To make sure that's selected, you might just click off of it and you're done. It will show up on my spreadsheet.